Hello friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today is 22nd June. So we'll discuss how we are traded today and how we are supposed to trade tomorrow, that is 23rd June. So before going to the technical chart, we'll go through the disclaimer. Straight away we'll go to the technical charts. So one second. We go to Nifty daily chart. So this is a Nifty daily chart. See, today's candle. This is a today's candle. It's almost closed as doji. So in my previous video I explained where it may halt. See, this is a rally, drop, rally. Exactly it tested 61.8% of Fibonacci extension. So after that it dropped. So the important thing for tomorrow's trade is it has to give a breakout. Then only it may go up. Otherwise, small retracement will come. That retracement levels also we'll see. If the price comes down, these are the levels to be noted. 10,190 and 10,069. These are the key levels to watch out on the downside. So these are the buying levels we can consider. So instead of going short, if the price comes down, we can have a buying opportunity to enter, keeping a 50 or 60 point stop loss for intraday. On a positional basis, we can hedge your position. So the expected, if the price tomorrow closes above today's high, there is a high probability of going upside, and previously what we discussed in the last video, the 10,480 and 10,700 kind of levels, it may test only if the price closed above today's high, right? So that is 10,380 and above. If the price closed above this level, then there is a probability of going up. So how to trade tomorrow? So because this is the doji, so we have to trade only on the breakouts, right? What is the breakout levels? We'll see the breakout levels also. This is the high, so 10,400 on the higher side. On the downside, 10,275 kind of levels. Any side breakout, we can go tomorrow on that side, and the breakout should be a confirmation for minimum 15 minutes. The price should trade above or below 15 minutes. Then we have to go on that particular side to trade Nifty. See, if today what the shares driven the Nifty. See, if you see today's action in the market is mostly driven by the Nifty PSU banks. It has gone above 3.89% upside in the Nifty PSU bank. So the main laggard in the entire basket is Nifty IT. So in particular Nifty, we'll see. So this is the Nifty heat map. You can see which stock. See, Bajaj Auto and Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv. These three stocks has given a decent momentum to the Nifty, and Maruti, M&M, Infosys, Ultratech, HDFC Bank, Britannia, Hindalco and other stocks are pull back the Nifty. So tomorrow, for tomorrow's trade, I selected two stocks. One is Bajaj Auto. It is not that it has given a decent upside today. There is other reasons also for selecting that Bajaj Auto. And the another one is Havells India. How to trade tomorrow, that we'll see next. Now mainly the neutral is STL Tech, and tomorrow you can watch these stocks: Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Coal India, and VEDL, Power Grid, Kotak Bank. Coal India, a few days back, 4 days, not even 4 days, 3 days back, I think Wednesday, I given a call to buy around 138 kind of levels. Now it is 143, right? So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stocks we can monitor tomorrow's trade. So any buying opportunity can go long in this: Kotak Bank, Power Grid, VEDL, Coal India, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Auto. So we'll have a trade plan for Bajaj Auto also for tomorrow's trade. And if you see in the Bank Nifty, right, sectorial indices, the Bank Nifty. See, only HDFC Bank is in red, remaining all are in green. This is IDFC First Bank, RBL Bank, Bandhan Bank, Federal Bank, Bank of Baroda, Kotak Bank. So tomorrow you can watch this Kotak Bank and Bandhan Bank. These two banks you can keep it in your radar, and any intraday dips is a buying opportunity. Bandhan Bank and Kotak Bank, right? So now we'll see the Bank Nifty daily chart also. Nifty Bank. So this is the Nifty Bank. See, this is the rally, drop and rally. It is not tested 22,414. So now the next target will be 22,410 kind of levels once the breakout happens today's high, right? So if you see here, this is the resistance area. Intraday it went up, but on closing basis it closed below this. So for tomorrow's trade plan, we'll see on a 15-minute chart for Bank Nifty, and we'll see where we can enter a long position for Bank Nifty. So if the price comes to this area for Bank Nifty, so there could be a buying opportunity. So we can enter somewhere. Let's see. So first I'll remove this. Okay. So now this is the entry area for tomorrow. If any gap down opens below 21,500, this is invalid. Stop loss below here, 100 point stop loss, and aim for a target of here is 270 points. For Bank Nifty tomorrow intraday, I'm expecting tomorrow may be a choppy day. There may not be a big movement, and because the monthly expiry coming, so there could be some choppiness in the indexes. And for tomorrow's trade, I am going with Bajaj Auto only for intraday. This Bajaj Auto is for intraday only. So today decent momentum on the upside, right? So this is for tomorrow intraday Bajaj Auto. This is the area where we can enter long position. This is my entry and stop loss below this candle, and target is here. So this is the simple setup for Bajaj Auto tomorrow intraday trade only. If the price opens below 2780, then this setup is invalid. Next, another stock is Havells. So how to trade Havells tomorrow and also for positional. It's not only for tomorrow, it is also for positional. For exclusive only for tomorrow's trade, This is my entry. So around 570, and keeping a stop below here. So the 5 rupees stop loss, and I'm aiming for a target of today's high somewhere here. So this is a Havells India for tomorrow intraday. The same Havells we can go for a positional trade also. See, it is trying to give a breakout. If you see here, if you see, this is the supply area. It is almost closed above the supply with a good volume also, and this may go up to the level of, we'll see where the level we can expect. So this is the decent rally and a drop, and this is the next target. So 598. So any intraday dip tomorrow, it can be bought, keeping a stop loss below today's low. Today's low is here, horizontal line. This is the today's low. So keeping a stop loss of 560 intraday buy for a positional trade, and aim for a target of 598. So two stocks we discussed. One is Bajaj Auto only for intraday, Havells India intraday as well as positional. So in my previous video, which uploaded on Saturday, for today's trade I have given Indiabulls Housing Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Godrej Consumer Products, and Reliance Industries. So this all given a decent profit except Reliance Industries, because Reliance Industries from the high it has fallen. But the Indiabulls Housing Finance, after giving a breakout, it rallied like anything. And Bajaj Finserv also, it has given a breakout and rallied. Godrej Consumer Products is just minor dip, and also it went up. So that for tomorrow we'll see these two stocks, how we have to trade Nifty and Bank Nifty both. So thank you friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends and give a thumbs up.